Hello. So we're here in the Imperial Residence. So we were checking in kanina. Sabi nung nasa reception, sabi niya, Ma'am, I have a good news for you. Sobrang all smile siya. Sabi niya, what is it? Ma'am, congratulations, you are the chosen one that is upgraded to the Imperial Suite for free. For free! Imagine, this is an Imperial Suite. This is more than 300 square meter na unit here in Sofitel. So, grabe, sobrang happy talaga ako. But when I come in, I got in here sa my room, sobrang hiyaw talaga ako ng hiyaw kasi sobrang laki talaga niya. Look. So, from the door, ito yung foyer. And then, this is the, what's this? Powder room. So, dyan muna yung mga things namin. This is the powder room. Medyo cozy siya kasi dark. See? So, this is the powder room. And then, yan, powder room from the door. This is the foyer. And we are heading to the living room. See? Oh my God, talaga. Sobrang laki. This is just the living room. All for our family. And I did not pay anything. I did not request for an upgrade. They just gave it to me. I swear. Texman, wala akong binayaran na upgrade. I did not request. Kasi alam ko imposible. Most especially, they are fully booked today because of the prom. But they gave this to us. So this is the living room. And then, this area is for the master bedroom. I think this Imperial Suite is the one that is being occupied parang pagka, for example, may mga international artists or may mga presidential visitors sa Philippines. Kasi aside from this whole area, may mga connecting doors to na may mga smaller rooms. So, we're going to the master bedroom. So, this is the master bedroom. Look. Hi, Galilee! So, this will be our master bedroom. This will be where we will sleeping tonight. Okay. And this is almost 360-degree balcony. Lahat may balcony. I'll show you later. Medyo mahaba itong tour na to kasi ang laki talaga ng kwarto. This is more than 300 square meters na Imperial Suite. So, this is another balcony. Okay, Galilee, let's go. You tour them. This is the master bathroom. Look at the master bathroom. O, diba? It has a view. It has a balcony again. This is the shower. Where's the toilet, Galilee? The toilet is nice. The toilet is nice. It has a TV. The bathtub. Oh, Balman! Can I bring this home? Am I allowed to bring this home? Whoa! Bongga talaga! Evian ng water. Bongga. Hey, Galilee! So, if you hide and seek there, I will not be able to find you. Oh, I'll go around na, ha? So, that's the master bedroom. This is the master bathroom. We're going back again to the living room. Hi, Ate Bea! Parang mapapagod ako dito sa Imperial Suite na to. So, this is the, so from the living room, so may balcony na naman dyan. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Kaya parang feeling ko talaga mga pang presidential visitors to eh. May malaking ganyan. Oh, kaya ko mag-invite ng mga parents dito later, tsaka mga classmates ni Judea. They can use this. Oh my God. Oh, close it, close it. Aray. Okay, from the living room. And this is the dining room. Oh, diba? Oh my God. Dining room is also wrapped around with balconies.
Can I go outside?
Okay, ate. And then, adjacent to the living room, the dining room, is the kitchen. There. Grabe, diba? Sobrang hindi ko in-expect. I never imagined to even stay here. Most especially, prom lang naman ni Judea. And then, from the kitchen, we're back to the living room again. Grabe, diba? Kung di ba naman talaga ako, sobra talagang hindi ko na-expect yung mga ganitong blessings. Hindi ko alam what have I done to deserve all this. Pero Lord, thank you. I think, ito lang naisip ko ha. Sabi ko sa inyo I claim I am God's favorite. Favorite talaga ako ni God. And I think I am meant to be rich. Kasi God is allowing me for a free taste, trial of how to become rich. How is it to be rich? Imagine staying in this beautiful room in Sofitel Imperial Suite. So yon, just sharing with you, and we're really very, 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 very happy. Bye!